How can I increase my hot water pressure?
Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on increasing hot water pressure. If you're experiencing a weak hot water flow in your shower or faucets, this tutorial is perfect for you. We will guide you through several methods that will help you boost your hot water pressure. Remember, safety first when working with plumbing and heating systems.
What causes low hot water pressure?
Low hot water pressure can be caused by various factors such as clogged pipes, faulty valves, or even an undersized water heater. Identifying the cause is the first step towards fixing the problem. You may need the help of a professional plumber for complex issues.
Check your water heater's shut-off valve.
The first step is to check the shut-off valve located on your water heater. If it's not fully open, it could be reducing the water flow. Turn the valve counterclockwise to fully open it.
Inspect the pressure-reducing valve.
Your house might be equipped with a pressure-reducing valve or PRV. It's a bell-shaped device found on the line where water enters your home. If it's set too low, it can restrict the hot water pressure. Adjusting this valve might solve your problem. However, do this carefully to avoid damaging your plumbing fixtures due to high pressure.
Clean or replace the showerhead or faucets.
Over time, showerheads and faucets can get clogged with mineral deposits. This can significantly decrease the hot water pressure. Cleaning or replacing these fixtures can help restore pressure. You can clean them using vinegar and a toothbrush, or you can opt to replace them entirely if they are too old or damaged.
Flush your water heater.
Sediment buildup in your water heater could be another reason for low hot water pressure. Flushing your water heater can help remove these sediments. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions for safe and proper water heater flushing.
Consider a larger capacity water heater.
If none of the above solutions work, you might be dealing with an undersized water heater. If your water heater can't meet the demand of your household, this could result in low hot water pressure. In such a case, consider upgrading to a larger capacity heater. We hope you find these steps helpful in increasing your hot water pressure. Remember, it's essential to assess the situation carefully before taking action. For more complex issues, it might be best to consult a professional plumber to avoid causing further damage. We hope this guide brings you one step closer to enjoying a strong and soothing hot water supply in your home.